Am I the only one that didn't know frequent nighttime coughing can be a sign of asthma in children? Let's talk about the common symptoms of asthma in children. Does your child cough frequently at night or after playing? Do you hear wheezing or whistling sounds when they breathe? Are they short of breath or complaining about chest tightness? These symptoms can impact their daily life, making it hard to play, sleep, or even focus on their studies. But here's some good news. Introducing Lignosus made with tiger milk mushroom. It helps clear mucus, reduce inflammation, and supports healthy breathing. No more struggling to sleep. No more painful pressure. Just relief. Notice any asthma signs? Try Lignosus today and let your child breathe freely again.